Alright, what's up guys? So we're right outside of the Salvadoran street market here in Koreatown between 11th and 12th Street. Through this whole aisle there's just a bunch of stalls that serve some authentic Salvadoran street food. I'm a Salvadoran food noob, so we got Kim here. She's Salvadorian.
Half Salvadorian.
Half Salvadorian.
I love pupusas, and I think I've eaten so much pupusas, like I know the difference between a good one and a bad one. So let's check them out and all the desserts, and we'll see how it goes.
She's gonna help us out with the food items and help us tour this little street market, so let's do it. Alright guys, so we're at our first stall, which appropriately enough is the pupusa stall, right?
Mari Fuentes.
We got Mary Fuentes here whipping up the pupusas for us, so.
And el primer pupusa que poniste frijoles, so she put frijoles.
Queso, frijol y chicharrón.
So it's like a chocolate.
Cheese and pork rinds.
Pork rinds. I want.
So what is
Estas son de
that?
queso. Frijol, cheese.
Cheese right there.
And
And beans. Cheese and beans. Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. It's herbs, no?
Alright guys, I know I'm wearing a mask, but I can smell the aroma in the air already. It smells fire, guys.
Estas son de arroz.
¿De arroz?
De harina de arroz.
Oh,
Nunca he probado esa de harina de arroz.
Saben bien ricas.
¿sí? ¿Cuántos platos sí?
Dos más.
Alright guys, so we got the pupusas here, piping hot, smells delicious. How should we do this, Kim?
Alright, so Dan got a mixed pupusa. He got an ultimate pupusa because he put
Ultimate.
queso con oroco, he put frijol, and he put chorizo, like some pork, in his pupusa. So he got the ultimate pupusa.
As you guys can see, it's nice and oily. Let me know if you guys can see that. So indeed, woo, it's hot. I could definitely see the cheese. So like Kim said, I got the ultimate one. I got basically all the fillings in there. Cheers.
Alright, Dan. Down.
Nice and crunchy on the outside. Kind of tastes like a pizza. It's really cheesy. Has a different flavor though. The dough is really thick.
That one's regular masa, corn masa.
So the breading is basically corn, like Kim was saying. And you can definitely taste that. There's a slight hint of sweetness. It's not like regular bread, you know? Let's take another bite. A lot of cheesy goodness. It's definitely on the fattening side. But yeah guys, it's like a really hot pizza with beans in it. Tortilla. And some mixed veggies. Apparently you're supposed to put this in the pupusa. Let's try it out. Can't forget the salsa, guys. Thank you, Kim. Nice. Alright. I'm gonna take a more loaded piece of this pupusa. If you think about it, pupusa kind of sounds like a pizza. Kim is just enjoying it.
I'm in heaven right now.
This is so hot, I have to wait a few seconds. So I'm gonna try this first, if I can cool down with all the condiments. I like that salsa. It's like fresh and sweet. It's not really spicy. Fresh. It's nice and fresh.
And you can't have a pupusa without your cola champagne. It's like the orangey soda, tangy soda. Not too orangey, but it tastes real good. Again.
I had never had this before, but she said that I can't eat a pupusa and dishonor it without downing this after a bite of pupusa. So gotta try it out. Kind of tastes like a non-carbonated Jarritos, but more on the sweeter side. Should definitely help me digest this pupusa right here. You're eating it.
Yeah.
The reason why I kept saying this is so cheesy and I can taste the beans is because this is actually not the one with the meat. Kim is actually eating mine, but that's totally fine, Kim. How does the ultimate pupusa taste? So that's the one with the meat.
To be honest, I didn't want to tell them because this was so good. Really good pupusa. I've never tried pupusa con todo, like with everything. And I'm gonna start incorporating in my pupusa diet. It's better than just a plain pupusa.
Better than this one. Kim
Yeah.
played me. She stole my pupusa.
I did.
But I'm not complaining at all, guys. This is delicious. Mine has extra cheese, cheesy goodness. But yeah, guys, very comforting.
Yeah, so this is a different type of masa. It's a rice masa. You can tell the difference in color. This is more wider, like a lighter color texture. Masa de harina with frijoles.
So that one was corn. This one is rice, right? So I'm gonna take a piece of this one. This is the rice with. Ooh, look at that cheese pull. You see this?
Ooh. That's when you know it's good.
You see this, guys? That cheese pull right there.
Yeah, that's a sexy pupusa.
I'm sacrificing the skin on my fingers for you guys because these are really hot. But you know what? And fresh. That's how you know they're good, fresh. But I'm trying this for you guys. Cheers.
The bean and cheese.
It's bean and cheese.
So plain and simple, but just so good.
I'm Asian, I love rice. So I definitely prefer this one, you know. The dough tastes more doughy, it tastes kind of more like a pizza side, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm
This
a big
one-
fan of dough, and that's why I like this one.
Yeah, this one's more doughy.
Nice.
The other one has a slight hit of sweetness to it, it's thicker. But this one is nice, soft, chewy, and doughy. Well, yeah. You gotta douse it with the salsa. This salsa is the real deal, guys. Each one of these are like $3 each, guys. That's a steal. That's like a price. Like a price of a McDonald's, you know, cheeseburger.
Trash got burger. Trash.
I'm in love with that sauce though. I gotta try that one more time.
Oh, you can take it.
I can't emphasize how good the sauce is, guys. It's like a tomatoey salsa. I guess it's like the, if this is like a pizza, this has to be the marinara, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's not spicy, which is, I love, because I'm not too big of a spicy eater. Like Kim was saying before, you know, she's had a lot of pupusas in her life. This is my first time having it, and I'm loving it. I just want to ask her, how does this rank as like a pupusa? Is this like pretty good?
I just had pupusas on Monday. Really. And those pupusas were really crunchy, like a tostada. When I took a bite, it was really, and when the cheese didn't pour out, just like this cheese pours out of a pupusa. Like you can see it when you rip
Cheese
it.
pull.
Over there. It's one of the top ones. I have a place in LA that I stayed loyal to for years, so I would rank them top 2. Conchitas and Cudahy. Shout out to them. And here too.
But these are good, right?
These are good too. Okay, I'm done.
On to our next stall. Let's do it.
Quesadillas. It's like a pan.
Quesadilla.
It's like a pan dulce.
Okay, let's try
Tastes a
that.
little cheesy.
These are some huge ass bananas, which I don't think they're bananas at all. They're probably plantain.
Yeah. Those are the ones they fry, dude.
Actually, oh, more pupusas over here.
There's pupusas everywhere, bro.
Mango verde, mango maduro, queso duro blandito, crema, queso, aguacate. Venga, salvadoreños, vengan a comer a este lugar.
Tiene variedad, ¿verdad?
Sí, hay pupusas, hay linchas, hay pacayas, curtido. Miren, mango verde, mango maduro. Hay mamones, miren.
¿Mamones?
¿Qué venden?
Ceviches, ceviches de concha, de camarones.
I'm on that seafood diet. Seafood, eat food. Good cameraman.
Yes.
I've tried Mexican style ceviche before. Mariscos, Mexican style, but this is a Salvadoran style. Let's try it out. Me and Kim are gonna try it.
Right?
With the oysters. Alright, you see this, guys? Ooh. Ooh.
Get more meaty bite. There you go.
Mmm.
ASMR moments. Oh shit.
Mmm.
How'd you like it? Thinking?
The taste buds are like,
Just hitting you on all sides.
Really fresh. Very lemony, because I told her to put extra lemon to mask the jalapeno sauce.
Yep.
Since I'm not like him, I'm not a heavy spice eater, but there's no fishy taste at all. That's why you can ask for it with, you know, mariscos.
Yeah.
Just to have it be fresh.
You can barely taste the oyster, but it's there. And a little chili, but I like it. And I like the lemon the amount of lemon they put in. You can taste it. And the jalapeno. Oh, you can taste the jalapeno. Really good though.
Super fresh. Kim is a fan.
It's good. A little picante. It's a little chili, but it's good.
Picante for sure. You're glad I add the extra lemon, don't you? I saw those jalapenos, I said, no way, not for me.
Extra lemon.
una empanada.
Sí.
Así no juego.
Sabrosa la torta.
Este lugar es una minita de oro. Sí, la verdad, sí. Es algo que $4, mamá.
Alright guys, so we had the pupusas, we had the cocktails,
Champán.
we had the champagne. So now we're gonna go for the Salvadoran desserts.
I got Dan the classic quesadilla.
Quesadilla? Is this like a Mexican quesadilla with that cheese and tortillas?
No, this is definitely
Oh,
not.
okay.
But it's a Salvadoran dessert quesadilla. It's like
Okay.
it's a bread. Tastes not too cheesy, but
Try it
and
out.
it's a little hard crust.
So is this considered like a bakery item or like a dessert?
It's definitely a bakery item. You eat like with some cafe or some. In the winter, you drink it with like atol or you know, something hot,
Chocolate milk?
like a hot chocolate or a little coffee. You can see that top nice little glaze on top. The seeds,
Sesame seeds.
the sesame seeds. A nice, not too hard of an outside crust, which is good.
Nice and golden
Okay.
brown.
Nice
poofy.
golden
Alright.
brown. All right, you ready?
Nice. Alright, cheers.
Oh, cheers. Maybe I got.
This is my first time having this, and this is very interesting. It's pretty flaky, and you can taste like the cheese in there.
It was a little dry. I kind of got stuck on top of my mouth. It's a good taste, but overall, no, I tried a little better, but it was still good.
I'm a first timer, so my taste buds are still new to this, and it's just very interesting. It's like a cheese dough into a muffin, if that makes sense.
Can it compare to a cornbread?
Kind of like cornbread, like cornbread. Yeah, exactly. But a little bit on the cheesy side. You can definitely taste the cheese. Ooh, what is this, Kim?
So what we got
Huge.
next is a semita. It's like a tart, a raisin semita.
Raisin
It's like a
Semita.
berry.
What is a Semita?
A semita. That's a good question. It's like a tart.
It basically just looks like a cake. So
Yeah. You want to try it?
let's try it out.
Has sugar on top.
Try a little piece right here. Not too much. Okay. Got everything. Cheers.
Cheers. Definitely with some coffee or something to down it down would taste a lot better. But this semita is really good. You can taste the berry. I like the top sugary part on the top and the layering. Good.
There's definitely a deeper and darker taste to this dessert than the other one. It's very thick, the sugar, kind of like molasses, And on the outside, there's like a sugary crust on top. But yeah, guys, very interesting. Ooh, look at this. Supposedly, this is a empanada. We're gonna try the French empanada. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
This is bomb.
This is definitely one of the top items there. The outside is definitely plantain. A regular empanada, I think they use dough or corn, right? This is plantanos. Plantanos on the outside right here. There's a nice crisp on the outside. You bite into the plantain. It's a little bit mushy and it's a sweet.
Inside is cinnamony.
Cinnamony.
The inside of what it's stuffed in, the pudding, it has a little cinnamon taste to it.
Yeah.
So it tops to the sweetness of the outside of the banana. It's nice. I need to go get more.
Mmm. That's how good it is. She needs to go get more. By far the superstar of desserts. I don't know if it's because it's fresh, but this one's delicious.
Done.
But before we leave, Kim, how would you rank all the Salvadoran dishes that you had here?
So my top 3 were the empanadas, the platanitos, or the stuffed platanitos, the pupusa, the mixed pupusa that Dan got. That was a mixture of the queso con frijol and loroco and the pork. That was another top one.
The one that you stole from me?
And I did.
Yeah, I was kidding.
I didn't want to admit that I was eating it.
Yeah.
Because it was so good. And the curtido and the salsa, that just made the pupusa 10 times better. So,
as a first timer, a noob, definitely the pupusa is way up there. The pupusa was great. It was amazing. It's cheesy goodness. And then second would be definitely the empanadas. Nice, fresh and hot. Then I would say was a quesadilla. Kim said that it was a bit dry. It wasn't the best, which I could see why. It was on the dry side, but just like introducing that new flavor, a new dessert, it was different and it was very interesting. Alright guys, so our bellies are happy. We successfully toured the El Salvador street market here in LA, in between 11th and 12th Street. It's just this whole aisle filled with Salvadoran goodness. And yeah guys, thanks to our host here, Kim. She gave us a great rundown of everything, so yeah.
it's definitely worth a try. So come down, if you're coming through LA, stop by 11. Get your pupusa and empanada.
But one pro tip is that the reason I had Kim here is because not a lot of the vendors here speak English, so just know a little bit of Spanish.
But you know, just have someone that can help you out. Make it easier.
But if not, bust out your Webster's dictionary. So
And
yeah
get
guys,
a pupusa. Have a good one.
yeah, like this video, like it, comment down below where we should go next. I hear there's a Guatemalan street market not too far from here, so maybe that's next. But yeah guys, subscribe for more food vlogs. Deuces.